Hello dear students, in today's demonstration I am going to show you the national dish of Vietnam, pho. Let's check the ingredients for the same.
For preparing Vietnamese pho, we need the following ingredients: boiled tofu, boiled noodles, julienne of tomatoes, blanched mushroom, celery, fresh coriander leaves, blanched lotus stems, spring onion, boiled chicken and brown stock. Now let's get started with the preparation of pho. To begin with, bring the stock to a boil. Simmer it down and keep it ready for the final plating. To assemble pho, put boiled noodles. For assembling pho, first add blanched tofu, lotus stems, blanched mushrooms, now add julienne of tomatoes, celery, spring onion, now add piping hot stock in the soup bowl. Add few pieces of blanched chicken to it. Garnish with fresh coriander. And finish with some small de-seeded red chilies. So here it is, Vietnamese pho, a national dish of Vietnam. Thank you very much. See you in the next demonstration.